Starting off with the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, I'm going into that burnt orange satin color, and I'm kind of swiping the color on, but then I remembered that this palette actually works better with some of the shades to kind of pounce it on, so that's what I'm doing in this scene. Next, I'm going in with that kind of neutral color just to blend out the edges of the orange so it doesn't look harsh.
One by one,
into this kind of cool brown. This one is called Parallel. It's not that warm of a brown, so it just adds a slight transition from the orange. Next, I'm adding back in some of that orange because I felt like I lost some of it. We're gonna deepen that up with this black color named Obsidian from this palette, and yeah, we're just deepening up the crease. Here, I'm basically putting my concealer to cut my crease. I have a bit of a hooded lid. So like I use the marker that it makes on the top lid as like a marker as to where to stop my cut crease, because otherwise if I make it too low, when I open my eyes, all my glitter or whatever I put on my lid will transfer. So here, as you can see, I close my eye and I'm just using that as a marker to start my line for my cut crease. Next, into Unity. This color is basically the same shade as the concealer that I placed on my eye, so I'm just basically locking that color into place with this shadow. I'm gonna pick up a little bit of the brown shade that we use and we're just blending that, so again there are no harsh lines and our eyes look nice and blended. Next, we're gonna go in with these Stila kind of liquid glitters, and I'm gonna place that right in between the brown and the cream shade and just blend it in. It's gonna create a really nice kind of pop of shimmer. Lining with, again, my favorite liner, my Inglot 77, and we're gonna create a nice little wing, you know, nothing crazy, just a nice little wing. After wiping that up, I'm going in with this Baby Skin Pore Eraser. I have been using this for like about 3 weeks. I've been using a bunch of these Maybelline products for a little while, and I actually really like this primer. It reminds me of the Smashbox one that I use. This Maybelline Baby Skin Lip Gloss I really like because it does have SPF 20. So for foundation, we're using the Superstay Maybelline. This is in the color Warm Coconut. In the Fit Me, I use just the color Coconut, but in this one, I'm using the Warm Coconut. Coconut was a bit too deep, but I really like this foundation. It goes on a little orange, but it kind of really blends in. Concealer, we have the Age Rewind. First, I go in with Tan, which is the shade you see right now. It's closer to my actual complexion, and then I brighten up with a little bit of caramel. And then, honey, this is that dollar store beauty blender. Like, this is the dollar store Shop Miss A beauty blender. I'm telling you, it's, listen. All right. I'm brightening back a little bit up with, that's the caramel. Caramel is the lighter shade. Now, this loose finishing powder by Maybelline, honey, no. It was a negative. So I had to go in with the Airspun because I did try it like 3 times, but it was just leaving my under eye really cakey and lines, and it was a no-go for me. I'm probably going to try to return that because I only used it like once or twice and I don't like it. This is the Maybelline Fit Me pressed powder. This is in the shade Coconut, which I do like this powder. And for contour, I'm going to go in with my Black Up contouring powder. And just, you know, snatch up these cheeks a little bit, you know, you already know.
Please don't you stop, please don't you stop. Fine like a clock. Tick, 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 tock. Tick, 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 tock. So interesting, your body are the best thing. Monday to Sunday, my time I'll invest in you. But a bottle and a corner for 2. Few to
for blush, I'm using this beautiful pink blush I got from my, I believe it was my March Boxy Charm box. And yeah, you know, I'm not a blush girl, so I like to get my little blush samples because I sure ain't buying none. This is a Naked Cosmetics. This is a holographic palette, which I really love. This was also in my Boxy Charm, so I'm taking that goldish kind of iridescent shade. And I cannot wait to do like me a little festival look for the summer because listen, that holographic palette is going to get used. This is the Maybelline Master Fix Setting Spray, and this is the Maybelline and Makeup Sheila collab Blackest Black Mascara, which I really do like. I like this mascara regardless. But as you can see, I didn't like that mascara at that moment because it's sure to get on my nose. But no worries, I wipe it off. Now this highlighter though, this is the Master Chrome. I'm going to put the shade, oh my god, I can't even remember the shade right now because it's blinding. Look at it. For lips, I'm using the NYX Lingerie. This is in, I'm going to put that below, can't remember. But I just like to use it to blend in. And this is Maybelline in the shade Poet. So pretty. You know I love me a nude. And that basically completes this Maybelline look. Foundation, concealer, the powder, not the loose setting powder, but all of that is amazing. I absolutely loved everything that I tried. Hope you guys enjoy the video, and I will see you guys in my next one.